Hi there, welcome back to the Vibrant Crafter channel. I am Mandy Wildman, and I know that I've left some of you out of the loop about what I'm actually doing, but I'm going to do a longer video to explain to you exactly what I'm doing. I'm opening up an eco bridal shop, and it's just kind of better for the environment, and I'll go into more detail on that a little bit later, but this is actually an emergency video. A couple of months ago, I rented a shop, a little shop in a great area. I'm really excited about it. And I started this fundraiser because basically the landlord told me all you have to do is sort of paint the walls and do whatever kind of work that you want to do. And then, you'll be able to open the shop. He gave me very good rent. Those are the good things that I can say about my landlord. So he had promised that he was going to tear out the existing 2 bathrooms and create one wheelchair access up to code bathroom. He did tear out the 2 bathrooms, and he did frame out a space that would be appropriate for a wheelchair access bathroom. That is all he did. He promised he was going to replace the broken and missing lights that are inside the building. And he also promised to replace the broken and missing windows. So we were painting, me and my little crew, my little tribe of amazing volunteers, including my daughters and some friends, and we were doing really, really well. The fundraiser was going well. I've already raised half of the money that I wanted, which was $4,000. We've already raised $2,000, and thank you so much. The landlord over the weekend told me, oh, by the way, I just can't get to it. I will not be able to put in the bathroom, to put in all the lights that are missing. I mean, not changing light bulbs. I'm talking about bare wires hanging out of the ceiling. And I won't be able to fix the windows. And I was a little stunned. So basically, I have 2 options. I can give up this entire project, but I don't know. You don't know me maybe, but I got to tell you, I'm not much of a quitter. The whole community is waiting for this eco bridal shop to open. Or I continue and somehow figure out how to put in toilets and do things to code and pull permits and get lights put and the windows, the broken windows fixed. So I want to move forward, but I cannot move forward. I cannot move forward without your help. My volunteers are amazing, and they are willing to do anything. I mean, people are coming by and helping out at the shop, and I really, really appreciate that. I love you guys. Thank you so much. You guys are awesome.